LTA family and faculty, as well as the staff, the parents, fellow graduates, schoolmates, and everyone present tonight to witness this momentous occasion, good evening. There are many ways to thank anyone for all the favors you owe them. What fascinates me most
Bibidyohan
is the
natin.
way the Japanese show their gratitude to others. They humbly bow down their heads and bend their backs to show their thanks with a matching smile and an arigato gozaimashita. Anyway, tonight, I'll be taking this opportunity in behalf of my fellow graduates to thank the following. First and foremost, we would like to thank God, who was and will always be there for us, for the guidance and endless blessings He gave us, and for the challenges and endeavors He purposely gave us. He's always there to help us and never left us in times of need. God is good, and we owe Him so much. To our LTA family, especially the board of
Tibay
directors,
tawagin.
we thank you for putting up this institution where we learn so much. Not just lessons in school, but also lessons in life. To the faculty, for
YouTube.
the endless understanding and patience, for the knowledge you undoubtedly and willingly shared
May
us.
papatayuin tayo niyan
We would
mamaya.
forever cherish it and bring it in our hearts, and most importantly, in our minds. As a Latrinian, I am proud that I became a part of
Hawak
this
ka muna.
institution, which molded
Hindi ko
me
makita
to
kung
be whom
nasa
I
siya.
am today. From someone who never knew what I can do, to someone who now believes that I can. To our dear parents who are here with us tonight, we thank you for the care, for the joy, love, support, effort, sacrifices, tears, blood, and sweat. We thank you for sending us to school and doing everything you can to give us the best life you wanted us to have. For the understanding, for everyday guidance, advices, and for constantly reminding us about the cruel world, how to deal with life, and fear of God. We thank you for being the best parents in the world. To our dear friends, classmates, and schoolmates, we thank you for the friendship we shared and the experiences we had together. We learned all together, laughed, and cried at the same time. Argued yet picked things up after a minimum of half a second. For all the years we spent here in LPA, thank you, and we will surely treasure and savor those moments till the last of our days. Finally, to the people who served as our inspiration to achieve these goals, who inspired us to go on and reach our dreams, and who continues to give their support and inspire us to aspire more and fly higher to the bluest sky, like a star shining brightly during the nighttime. We thank you so much. And so, fellow graduates, may I please ask you to stand up, face the people you'd like to thank.
Sa likod, sa likod. Tingin kayo sa likod.
Let us give them a Japanese way of
Tingin kayo sa
showing
likod.
gratitude
Wen,
by
tingin ka sa
bowing
likod.
humbly and with a smile and an arigato gozaimashita. They all
Basta
deserve.
magbaw ka lang. Ay, baw na.
Arigato gozaimashita. So again, to all of you, thank you and good evening.